Hello and welcome to my project video. I am Nadeep from CSC branch at IIT Guwahati. Today I am going to demonstrate casting using a low melting point material. These are now the materials required for our project. Now we start by preparing mold. The things required to prepare mold are white cement and lukewarm water, and we need to stir them up smoothly along the process. Okay, now let's prepare the mold. We need to make sure that the cement has no lump. We need to stir them up pretty smoothly so that we will get an uniform mixture. It requires quite few time to stir up. We need to be patient while stirring it. As you can see, the mold is getting a bit hard. Now let's pour this mold into the container where we will continue our experiment furthermore. Now as you can see, the mold got a bit hardened, so I think it's better we insert our object on it. Before that, let's apply some oil on it. It's like a lubricant. After while we removing the object, it will be a bit easier for us to remove it. Okay. Now let's insert our object on the mold. Uh, press it a bit so that we can get an exact impression of our object. Yeah, it seems okay to me. Let make the edges a bit even. Let's make sure that it will not come over our object. Okay. Now let's wait for some time until our mold will get a bit hard, so that we can finally pour some wax on it and get our final product. Okay, now let's remove the object from this mold. We should remove it very carefully so that the cavity it made should not be disturbed. Okay, we removed our object from the mold. As you can see, there is a clear cavity formed. Now let's start melting the wax so that we can get on further of our project now. As you can see, we have completely melted the wax and it's time to pour wax on the cavity we made from before. Okay, now we have removed the container. So we start by breaking the mold bit by bit. We will start now from the corner. Okay. Now as you can see, this is my final product. This is the overall product of our casted object.